And honestly, I thank God. I thank God every day for the space that I'm in now, where I'm headed. Like, I already feel it. I already feel it. I already know. Hey beautiful people, what's poppin'? It's Kenya. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, be sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and follow all my social media links. My point of this video is stop being scared to try something new. It's okay to be skeptical. It's okay. And not everything that pops up into your life that's an opportunity you might not want to do, which is understandable. But also, don't let your fear stop you from taking an opportunity. First of all, you shouldn't even have fear. You got God right there with you. You got God. Like, He got you. There's no reason to be scared. There's no reason to have fear. All you need is faith of a little mustard seed, and you'll be lit. With that being said, if you have certain goals for yourself, there's going to be times when you're uncomfortable. There's going to be times when you're scared. There's going to be times when you're like, I don't know if I should do this. And when you feel those times, that's when you need to be like, no, pray to God, wait for what He says, wait for any confirmation, but don't just sit on it. Don't just be like, I don't know, so I'm not going to do it, because you not doing it could have impacted something in your life. You get what I'm saying? I want to help somebody reach their full potential. Like, I feel like that's my purpose. I want to help myself reach my full potential, and I want to help other people reach their full potential. If that means I'm only talking to like one person, but they see this video and they're like, dang, she right, I need to step up my game. If I'm talking to you, that one person, that's lit. I want to help you right there. Before you make any decision at all, anything, do anything, pray about it first. Have faith and you'll be good. So yeah, I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and follow me on all these social media links. Yeah. Let me know in the comments, or you can like message me or DM me on Instagram. They're always open. So, or if you just want to talk about anything. Yeah. Love y'all. See you later. Go be great. Reach your full potential.